Nissan Almera 2016 onward. Installed 10.1-inch Android GPS big screen player with a OEM good fitting casing. So this casing, the black color. Okay, and together with the left and right silver chrome cover. Okay, OEM plug and play socket. Connect with HD reverse camera, HD parking camera, a full menu, setting, about car. So Android player, AC8227, 2GB RAM, 32GB storage. CPU and Bluetooth support, Bluetooth 4.1, Android version 10.1, Android version 10. Radio, music, Bluetooth call and Bluetooth music. It's got an external microphone for Bluetooth call. Okay, 2 USB extension, USB port. A GPS antenna will hidden inside the pillar. Scroll down, you can off your screen. The music and the radio will keep on. Touch anyway to turn it on. File manager. Long press to change the term. Okay, this icon for clear apps. Clear it one by one or clear all. It's got a small hole here. The mic already connect for the mic extension. So another small hole, RST, is for simple reset. You can pin inside for simple reset. So this is 10.1-inch Android player for Nissan Almera. HD camera. Four-core processor, 10-band equalizer, HD support, 2GB RAM, 32GB storage. Installed by OneBiz. Thank you.